Hello everyone! Let's talk about proper skate maintenance today. Proper skate maintenance is essential for figure skaters to ensure optimal performance, safety, and longevity of the skates. Regular upkeep of both the boots and blades will keep them in top condition and prevent costly repairs or replacements. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to properly maintain figure skates. Number 1. Clean and dry your skates after every use. Wipe down the blades. After each skating session, wipe the blades with a soft, dry towel to remove moisture, eye shavings, and dirt. Leaving the blades wet can lead to rusting, which affects performance and can permanently damage the blades. Dry the boots. Use a separate cloth to dry the boots, particularly around the soles, where moisture can collect. Pay attention to seams and stitching, as water can weaken the boot over time. Air out the skates. Allow your skates to air out after each use to prevent moisture buildup and odors. Unlace the boots slightly to allow more airflow and dry the interior more thoroughly. Number 2. Use blade guards and sockers. Hard blade guards. Always you should wear hard plastic blade guards when walking off the ice to protect the blades from getting nicked or damaged by rough surfaces. Ensure the guards are clean and free of dirt or grit that could scratch the blades. Sockers. After drying the blades, place them in soft fabric sockers to absorb any remaining moisture and protect the blades from rust. Sockers should be used for storage only and not for walking around, as they do not protect the blades from hard surfaces. Number 3. Regularly check and sharpen your blades. What is blades sharpening frequency? Blades need to be sharpened regularly depending on how often you skate. On average, skaters should sharpen their blades every 20-30 hours of skating. However, this can vary based on the skater's weight, style, and ice quality. Signs blades need sharpening. If your skates feel slippery, or you are having difficulty holding edges or performing turns, it may be time to sharpen the blades. Dull blades can increase the risk of injury and make skating more difficult. Professional sharpening. Have your blades sharpened by a professional with experience in figure skates. Figure skate blades have a specific radius and hollow that require precise sharpening to maintain the proper edge for jumps and spins. Number 4. Inspect the blades for rust or nicks. Rust prevention. Rust can develop quickly if blades aren't dried properly or are exposed to moisture. Inspect your blades on a regular basis for any signs of rust and use a blade stone to remove minor rust spots. If rust is extensive, it may require professional treatment. Check for nicks. Nicks or gouges in the blade can affect skating performance and increase the risk of falls. Inspect your blades regularly for damage, especially after walking without guards. Minor nicks can sometimes be smoothed out by sharpening, but larger ones may require blade replacement. Number 5. Store skates properly. Avoid leaving skates in your bag. After drying and airing them out, store your skates in a dry, cool environment, not in your skate bag. Skates left in a bag for long periods can develop odors, mold, or rust due to trapped moisture. Use a skate bag with ventilation. If you need to store your skates in a bag, ensure the bag has proper ventilation to allow moisture to escape. Some skate bags are designed with mesh panels or air holes for this purpose. Number 6. Take care of your skate boots. Proper lacing. Always lace your skates properly to avoid unnecessary stress on the boots. Overly tight lacing, particularly around the ankle, can damage the boot structure. At the same time, make sure they are not too loose, as this could cause wear from friction. Boot creases. Minimize boot creasing by ensuring your skates fit properly and that they are laced evenly. Creases can weaken the boot over time, affecting support. Storing the skates in a way that avoids squashing the boots can also help prevent creases. Inspect for wear and tear. On a regular basis, again, check the boot for cracks, worn areas, or loose stitching. If you notice significant wear or a reduction in ankle support, it may be time to consider new skates or repairs. Number 7. Protect the leather and finish. Leather care. For leather boots, use a damp cloth to wipe away dirt and apply a leather conditioner occasionally to keep the material supple. This prevents the leather from drying out and cracking. Waterproofing. Apply a waterproof sealant or wax to the soles of the boots, especially if they are made of leather. This prevents water from seeping into the boot and damaging the materials. Avoid direct heat. Never dry skates using direct heat sources like hair dryers, radiators, or heaters. Heat can wrap the boots and damage the leather or synthetic material. Instead, allow them to air dry naturally. Number 8. Addressing boot breakdown. Ankle support. If you notice a loss of ankle support or a soft feeling in the boot, it may be breaking down. Figure skating boots are designed to provide firm support, especially for jumps, and once that support is compromised, it can lead to injuries. Boot relining or replacement. For minor breakdowns, a professional may be able to reline the boot or reinforce certain areas. However, if the boot is significantly worn, it is time to invest in new skates to ensure right support and safety. Number 9. Periodically check the blade mounting. First, check for loose screws. Over time, the screws that mount the blades to the boot can loosen due to stress placed on the skates. Check these screws regularly to ensure they are secure. Loose screws can cause blades to shift during jumps or spins, leading to falls. Blade alignment. If the blade feels misaligned, take your skates to a professional for adjustment. A misaligned blade can throw off your balance and lead to poor performance or injury. Number 10. Handle skates with care. Don't drop them. Dropping your skates, especially on hard surfaces, can damage the blades or misalign the mounting screws. Always handle your skates carefully, whether you are putting them on or taking them off. Avoid excessive force. When lacing or unlacing your boots, don't pull excessively hard on the laces, as this can damage the eyelets or distort the boot. If laces are difficult to pull, try loosening the lower section first before tightening the ankle. Proper skate maintenance is a combination of daily care and regular inspections. By keeping blades sharp and rust-free, ensuring the boots provide adequate support, and addressing wear and tear promptly, skaters can extend the lifespan of their skates and maintain peak performance. Skates are an investment, and taking care of them will not only improve your skating experience, but also reduce the likelihood of injury and costly repairs. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.